This is Bar-I's Make, Counting, Count series, where we show you how our down-to-the-serving approach to inventory can increase your bar's profits by 30%. In this video, we're showing you how you can use your overall accountability percentage to monitor your current shrinkage level. You can also get an exact cost on what that shrinkage is costing you, so you can hold your bartenders accountable, reduce costs, and ultimately increase your profits. So if you were to take one single number, as you can see, there are many numbers calculated in this dashboard, but one single number to evaluate how well your bar is doing from a Bar-I Pro audit, it would be this total accountability percentage. So as you can see, this bar has scored 85.2%. What that means is they accounted or sold 85% of the product which they poured during the period. The flip side of that is that they are actually missing just under 15% of all the product they poured. That stems from, broken down here by category, but the total number of missing drinks was almost 1,682 drinks. By flicking to the financial metrics using this button, you can also put a hard dollar value. So they were missing this many servings in each category. That was the wholesale cost, or what they paid for the missing product was actually not sold. And in total, we can see these guys are missing $1,926 at cost. One way you could interpret that is to saying that their achievable cost is 20%, meaning on average, they should be marking everything up by 5 times. So this missing amount here would be over $9,000 in missing revenue. Knowing what you're missing is a great start to fixing the problem. Thanks for watching.